YouTube, what up? It's your boy Jermaine coming back with another original video. You already know that it's a sick shoe because you're gonna see it in the description. So let's get into it, boy. Woo! Yo, this is my first hype beast, I want to say, pickup. Haven't really been into Yeezys, haven't really been into, you know, like Balenciagas, Gucci, and all that stuff. But when I saw these, I was like, yo, your boy had to cop this. Yo, first of all, it's a 90s shoe. Like, I was born in 1990, and for this shoe to come out like 20, let's say 6 years later, because they haven't re-released the shoe. And I used to see this when I was a kid, like growing up, like I used to see this shoe. And now when I saw, like, they re-released it and then they added the fear of, well, Jerry Lorenzo added his touch to it, I was like, yo, this is a must cop. And like, yo, you can see it, I'm smiling, like, yo, this is a dope shoe, man. Yo, this is, like, it brings back, like, memories, man. Like, I used to see people, like, yo, like, back in the day, yo, we'd be rocking, like, the whole tracksuit and you have on your runners, you know what I'm saying? And, like, yo, you're just rocking it, like, walking down the street, jogging and shit, in your fresh Nikes, you know? But, yo, man, enough of me talking. Let's get into the shoe. I know you want to see it. You don't want to hear me babble on, blah, 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 blah. Hey, the last car video did good, so I'm gonna do another car video. So let's get into it. Right here, I went to, if you didn't know, I'm in Toronto, and for this drop, we went to Capsule. I'll show you. Went to Capsule over here in Toronto, and we got ourselves a shoe. This is the last shoe of 2018. Okay, I know I'm always telling my girl and my mom, oh, yo, this is the last shoe, this is the last shoe. No, this is the last shoe of 2018. Okay, so we got ourselves, focus, the Nike Air Skylon 2 Fear of God, FOG. Okay, let's zoom in so we can see what the color is. Fix up. Come on, camera, I know you're better than that. Yep, black sail fossil. You already know what the size is, 10.5. And the CAD is a whopping 190. So, it comes in this nice raised print Nike box in a nice orange or peach, I think. But yeah, that's, you know, you gotta, she got a finger her, you know. Let's pop the cherry, and let's get her done. Let's get her, ooh, woo. All right. Enough of me teasing y'all. God damn, bro. God damn, bro. Fear of God Nike collab. Jeez, look at this. Oh, man. Last time I didn't get too good of a view, so this time I'm making sure I want to show you guys the stitching and everything. Yeah, man, look at this bad boy. This is some suede that they have here. This is a nice mesh integrate, like, oh man. Oh man. This is gonna go so hard in the summertime. This is gonna go so hard. You got that Nike Air branding on the back. Goddamn, move this bullshit off of it. Got that Nike Air on the booty. Hold on, wait, did you see that properly? Yeah, okay, now you see it. We got the swoosh in a nice, I don't even know what this is. Like, yo, this is plastic, but like, god damn, yo, this is so clean. Oh man. You got nice rope laces with the lace lock, perforated tongue, so you know the shoe is gonna breathe. You guys want me to do it on foot? I don't know. Should I do it on foot for you guys? This has got the leather interior. Oh man, this is that woo premium, boy. Hold on a minute. Let me see what they got up in the. Oh god, dang. Let me see what they got up in here. Nike, nope, Air Fear of God in the sole. Ooh, it has something, it has some sticker there. It says recrafted. If you see that green little thing. And then on the, no, there's no thing there. Nothing there. But yeah, look at this shoe, man. Goodness gracious, yo. This is super clean, super dope. I'm happy I picked this up. And like, I think this toe box right here, this is 3M. So in the nighttime, yo, this is gonna pop, you know. We got the sail sole. Look at that. Looking nice. Looking nice. Looking nice. This is another dope pickup to add to the collection, and I am happy that I got it. Let me know if you guys like it as well. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. You already know. It's another pickup, dope pickup. Peace, guys.